Good medical morning. This is Watson from World's Greatest Medical, and today we're going to look at 17 success stories from The Biggest Loser. At the end of the video, I'm also going to share a great weight loss supplement called Thynergy, which can help you attain your weight loss goals. These photos come to us from CNN.com. These people combine diet and exercise to jettison hundreds of pounds. Notice how good some of these incredible success stories look. And kudos to each of them. Please comment below, is anyone else looking to get in shape for the new year? Are you interested in making a change for the better? Also, please click the subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos from us, and click the notification bell. For a moment, I'd like to give out my personal backing to Thynergy. If you're looking to get in shape, Thynergy should be a part of your diet and exercise routine. See you next time.
Snooki shares the secrets to her 50-pound weight loss.
Hey everyone, this is Snooki, and I wanted to give a shout out to all the crew at Thynergy. I wanted to just tell you guys to keep losing all the weight. You're doing amazing, and congrats on hitting your goals. Yes, queens. So I lost a lot of weight too, thank Christ. So I know how hard it is to lose the weight and stay in shape. I get it, guys. So keep up the good work. You guys are doing great. Good job.